Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, whenever a new person comes onto YouTube, the first thing that comes to their mind is when will I complete 100 subscribers or when will I complete 1000 subscribers? The main motive for new creators is to complete 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time on their new YouTube channel so that they can monetize their channel and start earning money. So they'll upload videos regularly onto their channel and they'll work hard. But at the end, their channel will not grow, so they'll give up. So guys, if you're that person, then watch this video carefully till the end, because in this video I'm going to show you how to get 1000 subscribers in just 8 to 10 days. Okay guys, now before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Guys, if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, Instagram account, and if you're looking to make money online by doing cryptocurrencies, then you're on the right spot, so consider subscribing. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Tip number 1. Guys, the first tip is to divide your YouTube video title into two parts. The first part of your title should be searchable and should rank on the search results, and the second part of the title should be clickbait or attractive, so that your video will have the chance to go viral. Now for example, just look at this video's title. I have divided the title into two separate parts. The first part of the title is searchable, how to get first 1000 subscribers on YouTube. So whenever people search for how to get 100 subscribers on YouTube or how to get 1000 subscribers on YouTube, my video will show up. So now if you look at the second part of the video title, you can see that it's clickbait title. So if someone sees this title, complete 1000 subscribers in just 8 days, then definitely they'll click on this video, just like you did. So if you're a small YouTuber, then make sure you divide the title into two separate parts. Tip number 2. Guys, the second tip is to make your videos as short as possible. Guys, if someone is searching for a video on YouTube, they'll not have the time to sit and watch 15 to 20 minutes long videos. So now for example, if I don't know how to hide my subscriber count on my YouTube channel, then what I'll do, I'll go onto YouTube and I'll search for this type of videos on how to hide the subscriber count on YouTube. So if I find a video which is 20 minutes long, I will never click on that video, because I know for a fact that hiding subscriber count on a YouTube channel is a short and simple process. So I won't waste my 20 minutes to watch that video. So I'll be wasting my time if I sit and watch that 20 minutes long video. So instead what I'll do is I'll just select a video which is 1 or 2 minutes long. So if you're a new YouTuber, then make your videos as short as possible. Directly get into the point. And also don't add intros into your videos. So now if your videos are 1 or 2 minutes long, then people will usually watch your videos all the way till the end. And just take a look at my videos. All my videos are in the range of 2 to 3 minutes long. I usually get about 60 to 80% of audience retention, and I get good amount of watch time also. So if your videos are short and simple, and if it gets like 60 to 70% of audience retention, then definitely your videos will rank on the search results, and there's also a chance that your videos could go viral. Tip number 3. Guys, when you open a new YouTube channel, never beg your friends or your relatives to subscribe to your channel, and also don't go to other people's YouTube videos and ask for sub. This will hurt your channel very badly. Now for example, if you have a tech YouTube channel where you make YouTube related stuff or any tech related videos, if you share these type of videos to your friends, they'll not watch your videos because it's of no use to them. In case if you're begging them too much, then what they'll do is they'll come onto your video, give one comment, and they'll just exit the video. They'll not watch the video till the end. So audience retention and watch time will keep on decreasing on your YouTube videos. This will signal YouTube algorithm that your videos are not good. So YouTube will stop promoting your videos. So if you don't get good amount of watch time or a good amount of audience retention and engagement on your YouTube videos, then the chances of your videos going viral is almost zero. And also for your videos to rank on the search results, it should have 50 to 60% of audience retention and good watch time. Now in case if you're begging your friends to watch your videos, then forget about going viral. Your videos will not even rank on the search results. Now in case if you're doing sub for sub, then stop it immediately, because your channel is at the risk of getting terminated, because YouTube doesn't like people who do sub for sub. Guys, even if you do sub for sub and gain hundreds of subscribers or even thousands of subscribers, these subscribers are highly inactive. They'll never watch your videos. So it's simply just waste of time. Tip number 4. Guys, now if you're a new YouTuber and in case if you uploaded like 20 to 30 videos, then definitely you'll be having like 5 views, 10 views or 20 views on your YouTube videos. But at least one video will cross 400 or 500 views out of the 30 videos. So this video which got 500 views is a signal from YouTube. So make more videos on this specific topic. So now for example, if you made a video on how to make biryani, and if this video gets good amount of views, then don't go out there and keep on making videos on how to make biryani, because these type of videos will come under repetitive content. So if your how to make biryani video gets good amount of views, then make videos related to this type of topics, like how to make biryani using a clay pot, or how to make biryani using the bamboo shoots, or how to make chicken biryani, how to make mutton biryani, how to make prawn biryani, etc, etc. Tip number 5. Guys, now once you upload a video to your YouTube channel, just go on to the search bar and search for your video. But YouTube will not display your video because YouTube has not ranked your video yet. So now what you have to do is just type how to get 1000 subscribers on YouTube, and type your channel name along with that. So if you do this, then it will display your video. So click on your video and watch the video till the end. But don't watch the video from the same account. Take your family member's mobile phone and watch the videos. This will help your videos to rank higher. Guys, I have hundreds of tips which I want to share with you, but I don't want to make this video very long. So I'll share those tips on my upcoming videos. So don't miss out. Okay guys, now if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, on this channel I make all YouTube growth related videos, Instagram and cryptocurrency related videos. So if you're a YouTuber, Instagrammer, and if you want to make money online by doing cryptocurrencies, then consider subscribing. Okay guys, now if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.